Hey, what's up guys? It's Mr. Torres. I'm going to take you through Canvas and teach you how to build a module. Looking at your home screen, you'll see yourself at the bottom. Man, you look nice. Now, you'll see that your announcements will be running at the top. This is the most recent announcement that I've created. But we're not doing announcements in this video. We're doing modules. So, go to the left side of your screen and click on Modules. What you'll see are previous modules that I've already created. Now, you can see there's a few of them, but remember, we're creating the new module for the upcoming week. So let's hit the blue button that says Add a Module. What we need to do is we want to be sure that we're naming our module for the upcoming week that we are teaching. This upcoming week is the 20th of the 24th through the 24th in April. So that's what the name will be. Let's add the module. Now, looking at it, you might say, where'd it go? Scroll down to the bottom. Don't stress. Click on the three dots on the right. Click Move Module. You have the option to move it to the top. Let's move it. And there it is. It's up at the top. Now remember, for any type of new learning, we want to make sure that it's broken down by each day. So we need to add Monday through Friday as a text header. Let's do that now. Hit the plus. Hit the down caret and click on text header. Once that's done, let's go ahead and type in Monday, April 20th. That's our first day of learning. And let's add that item. And boom, Monday, April 20th. Now make sure to go all the way through Friday. And boom, just like that, we've added all the days of the week. You may notice that I actually added something else after Friday. It's the weekly learning plan. That's where we're going to put our learning plan so students and parents can see it for the week if they choose to. Now, we need to go ahead and add our assignments for each day of the week. Sometimes you may actually create an assignment. Other times it just may be presenting new information with a page. So let's go to Monday. For Monday, we're going to create a new page. Because on this Monday, all we're doing is teaching our students about new learning. For my particular class, they're learning about the Battle of the Alamo. Now, I'm going to go ahead and indent this to level 1 because I want to be sure that students can see it's under Monday. Let's add that item. Now, as you can see, it generated at the bottom, but that's not where we want it. Let's hover our mouse over the bar on the left-hand side, and let's simply drag it under Monday. And there you go, the Battle of the Alamo. Now all you'd have to do is click on this particular page and upload your information. You would upload your assignment or your information, like I said, such as a video, text, just whatever the new learning is. It might even be a video of you taking students through a PowerPoint, much like I'm taking you through this particular information now. Whatever it is, that's where it goes. In this video, I'm not actually showing you how to create a page, embed videos, or assignments or quizzes. That's for another date. Click on that video so you can learn how to do that. Now next, I may actually want students to be able to show me that they learned something. I want to check for understanding. Now, I can do this by creating a simple assignment for them. And what I want to do is I want to create a new assignment, and I want to call it The Battle of the Alamo. Check for understanding. Whoops. I'm going to indent that to level 2 to be sure that students know they need to learn about the information before they actually try to complete the check for understanding. Once I add that item, there it's generated at the bottom, and I'm simply going to grab it and bring it underneath. And there we go. My Monday's done. I have my information for my students to learn, and on the same day, I have a check for understanding for them. Maybe my check for understanding is simply write down your 3 most interesting facts. Maybe it's give me a 2-sentence summary of the information you learned using these particular vocabulary words. Whatever you choose to do. Just remember, this is just for me to check for understanding for my students. You don't have to do this for every learning. Now, let's go ahead and begin and finish the rest of the week. And boom, just like that, My entire week's done. Let's walk through it. On Monday, students are going to learn about the Battle of the Alamo. Then they're going to complete a short check for understanding. On Tuesday, students are going to learn, they're not going to learn, they're going to be creating and writing an assignment based on role, audience, format, and topic. In history, we call that a raft writing. So they're going to turn that in on the Battle of the Alamo on Tuesday. On Wednesday, they're going to complete learning about the Runaway Scrape and the Battle of San Jacinto. And then on Thursday, what they're going to be doing is they're going to be completing a compare and contrast assignment. Friday is their quiz, and that's their entire week of learning. Remember, each daily lesson should be 30 minutes of information, nothing more. Now, let's go to the end of our module. You can see where we wrote weekly learning plan for our text header. Now it's time to upload that information. Well, let's go to the add. Let's click on add a file. We're going to do a new file. We're going to choose the file that we're going to upload. It could be a Word, PDF, any type of file that you saved. PDFs work great. Now, we're going to upload the weekly learning plan for this week. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to use one that someone else has submitted to me. Okay? Be sure that you give it the proper name, because whatever you name your file is what's going to be displayed. So, what I can write here is weekly learning plan for April 20th through 24th. That didn't work. Let's go ahead and just choose one that already has a name. Now, once that's done, we would hit add item. And as you can see, the weekly learning plan shows up under the title. Now all we have to do is allow students or parents to click on it, and it'll be displayed in Canvas. It doesn't have to open another window and open any type of program. It's right here in front of students and parents to read if they so choose to. This is also where administrators will look to check your weekly learning plan. You do have the option to download the learning plan to your computer if you want to, if you're a student or a parent. And that's pretty much it. Click on modules one more time, and you can see everything that is displayed through here. Remember, a module is not published until you actually publish it yourself, or you set the time and date when you want the module to be published. If you have any more questions, concerns, or comments, please let me know. I hope this video helped you. Have a great day, guys.